U.S. Crypto Week brings regulatory shift. What the Genius, Clarity, and Anti-CBDC Acts really mean. CBDC. Crypto Regulations. Genius Act. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar is a seasoned journalist who has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 17, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Washington's Crypto Week has brought digital assets into focus on Capitol Hill, with several industry experts weighing in on what the proposed legislation could mean for the future of crypto. Now, with three major bills, the Genius Act, the Clarity Act, and the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, advancing through Congress, ambiguity could soon give way to a more structured regulatory environment. Turning point in U.S. crypto regulation. Gracie Chin, CEO at BitGet, called the week a turning point, noting that the Genius Act delivers the first federal framework for stablecoin licensing, reserves, and disclosures. Meanwhile, the Clarity Act seeks to resolve long-standing jurisdictional turf wars between the SEC and CFTC by offering concrete definitions for digital assets, whether they fall under the category of securities, commodities, or stablecoins. The Anti-CBDC Act sends an equally clear message. By prohibiting the Federal Reserve from issuing a retail central bank digital currency, lawmakers are affirming a stance on financial privacy. These proposals show more than policy evolution. They indicate the beginning of a new phase where crypto is no longer treated as an outsider asset class. Crypto exchanges and investors are already repositioning for a future shaped by regulatory frameworks, not just code and community. Behind the optimism, global context and institutional pressure. While U.S. crypto stakeholders are celebrating legislative momentum, not everyone sees this as a leading achievement. For example, Manthan Dave, co-founder of Ripple-backed custodian Palisade, argues the Genius Act represents progress, but only in the context of the U.S. playing catch-up. Europe's MiCA framework, Dave notes, already demonstrates how regulation can empower rather than constrain innovation. By contrast, the Genius Act risks building a fragmented stablecoin structure that fails to interoperate with decentralized finance protocols. Without pathways for regulated entities to issue stablecoins that are fully composable within on-chain financial systems, the U.S. could miss a key opportunity to shape the future of tokenized finance. Dave points out that if U.S. stablecoins evolve into tightly controlled, non-interoperable digital dollars, they'll resemble traditional money more than they will transformative Web3 infrastructure. The true value of stablecoins lies not only in their backing, but in their ability to serve as programmable, borderless collateral, integral to lending, settlement, and tokenized treasury markets. He argues that without this flexibility, institutional capital will flow to jurisdictions where composability is enabled and innovation doesn't face unnecessary roadblocks. Markets respond to policy momentum. Investor sentiment has already turned bullish in anticipation of a regulatory breakthrough. Bitcoin surged past $120,000 on Monday, briefly touching $123,000, marking a new record high and reinforcing the view that legal clarity could serve as a major catalyst for digital asset inflows. At the time of publication, Bitcoin is trading at $118,144. Analysts attribute the recent surge to growing confidence that regulation could unlock sidelined institutional capital. With defined categories for tokens, stablecoin compliance measures, and a halt to retail CBDC development, the market is interpreting this shift as a green light for scaled participation. BitGet's Gracie Chin notes that institutional appetite is closely tied to certainty. Clear licensing paths for stablecoins, plus delineated regulatory responsibilities, could improve market integrity and lower barriers to entry. While smaller firms may face pressure from compliance costs, The long-term trajectory points toward a rules-based market where crypto can operate on the same footing as traditional finance. As Congress prepares for floor votes on all three bills, the tone has shifted. Crypto is no longer an experimental frontier. It is fast becoming a regulated asset class in the eyes of U.S. law. Whether this transformation keeps pace with the rest of the world is still unclear. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction July 18, 2025. As XRP open interest hits $10 billion, is Ripple going to $4 today? XRP price prediction. NYSE approves first 2x XRP ETF. Is $1,000 XRP now in play? Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Altcoin News. Live XRP price tracker July 17, 2025. XRP has reached a new all-time high of $3.45 after breaking the historic $190 billion market cap. 1 day ago, by Ristina Yordanova. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 17, 2025. Is Ripple price going to $4 today after launch of UXRP ETF? 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 18, 2025. 10 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.